been driving around town and have noticed two properties that have been damaged by fire. One is an apartment with 8 units, and one burnt out, and it's a FSBO. The other is half gone on a lot valued at $20,000. Question is, are these properties possible to wholesale?
They are, but I got to tell you, you got to get them really cheap, and because it's a very select buyer that's willing to take on that fire damage. Fire damage is a totally different rehab than any other rehab. Simplicity of it is, every single charred board in that building has got to be replaced, or you're never going to get the fire smell out of that house. Now, if one unit is burnt, okay, you gut that one unit, you take all the wood out of it, but that is likely replacing the rafters in the roof and the whole works. So it's going to cost more to repair than you think if this is the first time you've ever done a renovation. However, if you can get it cheap enough, many buyers are in the rehab business, fully aware of that, and they'll gladly buy it from you. But you got to get it cheap, so you got to make sure there's plenty of reason for somebody to come in there and fix that fire damage at the price they're paying for it, or you'll never get rid of it.